Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator? This is 3 power of 16 minus 1. Now, what do? I can express this as 3 power 16 is simply 10 plus 6 because finding the value of 3 power 16 might be difficult for us. So I have decided to express it as summation of 10 and 6. Then you have minus 1. So from here, you have a power n plus m. This equals a power n times a power m. So we are going to apply this right here. We have 3 to the power of 10 times 3 to the power of 6 minus 1. Now we need to find the value of 3 power 10. We have 3 to the power of 10 is simply 3 to the power of 5 times 2, which is just 3 to the power of 5 all to the power of 2. And finding the value of 3 power 5, which is 243, raised to the power of 2, this will give us 243 times 243. So let's multiply this out. 3 times 3, that is 9. 3 times 4, 12, 2 carry over 1. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 4 times 3, 12, 2 carry over 1. 4 times 4, 16 plus 1, 17. 7 carry over 1. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 2, 4. So we add up everything together. This is 9, 4. This is 20, 0 carry over 2 at here. This is 19, 9 carry over 1, and at this 594, 9. So this is 594, 9 times 3 power 6 minus 1. We need to find the value of 3 power 6. Remember, 3 power 5 is 243. So 3 power 6 will be 3 times 243 because 3 power 5 is 243. So multiplying this out will be that's 243 times 3. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. 2 carry over 1. 3 times 2. That is 6 plus 1, 7. That is 729. So what this simply means is that you are going to have 594.9 times 729 minus 1. So we need to simply multiply 594.9 times 729. Then after that, we subtract 1 from the answer. 9 times 9 is 81. 1 carry over 8. 9 times 4 is 36. 36 plus 8 is 44. 4 carry over 4. 9 times 0, 0, 0 plus 4, we have 4 again. 9 times 9, 81. 1 carry over 8. 9 times 5, that is 45. 45 plus 8, that's 53. We have 531441. Then we proceed to 2. 2 times 9, 18. 8 carry over 1. 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 9, 18. 8 carry over 1. 2 times 5, 10 plus 1, 11. Then we proceed to 7. 7 times 9. That will give us 63. So we have 3 carry over 6. 7 times 4, 28 plus 6. That is 34. 4 carry over 3. 7 times 0, 0 plus 3, 3. 7 times 9, 63. That is 3 carry over 6. 7 times 5, that is 35. 35 plus 6, that is 41. So we are going to add up everything together. So let's add everything up. This is 1. This is 12. 2 carry over 1 add here. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 9. That is 17. 7 carry over 1 add here. 2 plus 4, 6. This will be 3 plus 3, 6 plus 8. That is 14. 4 carry over 1 add here. 6 plus 1, 7. This is 10. 0 carry over 1 add here. 3, then you have 4. So what are you getting now? This is 43,046,721. So you subtract 1 from here. What are you going to get? You have 43,046,720. This is the value for 3 to the power of 16 minus 1. Without the use of calculator, guys. This is impressive. So that is it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.